Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jarjar and I will be sharing with you my dining experience at Wild Honey Restaurant. Located at the LYF Hotel along Middle Road, we were greeted with this interestingly decorated room when we stepped into the hotel from the car park. This apparently is where guests can connect and bond. I like it that they have creatively used simple English words to describe the purpose of the room. One example I found out later was that the washroom is named as Detox. Very interesting. Coming down and out of the lift at the first floor, I entered into another beautifully decorated area which houses the restaurant and the hotel reception. Some guests are in the process of checking in right now. Say hi! And going out of the main door and turning right, I would arrive at the Wild Honey Restaurant, where it is no place like home. Entering the restaurant, I was greeted by intricate beautiful design of mosaic tiles and the welcome of the bar counter. The restaurant itself is not very big, but it is nice and cozy, with nice paintings hung on the wall and with seats not squeezed very near to each other. There is an area upstairs which turned out to be the kitchen where all the food are prepared. There is also another section where small group private gatherings could be organized. The restaurant could perhaps house up to 50 guests when full, but not being overcrowded provides diners a nicer dining experience. It offers different kinds of seating, and some couples might find it romantic to have their meal here. I like the green leaves as decor above the bar counter, as it adds more charm to the place. Cocktail anyone? Here's the menu. Wild Honey has seemingly won a couple of awards in the past few years. The restaurant serves an all-day breakfast menu with food from countries around the world, apparently inspired by their love for travel and all things breakfast. The all-day breakfast menu has recipes from Tunisia, England, Spain, New Zealand, France, USA, Middle East and Italy, just to name a few, before I go out of breath. It serves meat, fish, vegetarian, bread, sandwiches, and salads. And there's a variety of cakes and desserts, coffees and teas and juices, and of course, lots of cocktails. The drinks we ordered have been served. They are mostly teas from different countries and taste pretty decent and of good quality. I ordered the wild berry tea for myself, the one at the extreme left, and it was good. The mains are now served. The first main is the Texan beef with smoky BBQ sauce, followed by the Middle Eastern musakan, which is spiced shredded chicken with hummus and chickpeas served on a flat bread. Next is the rosti served with sour cream and the Tunisian, which is a pork served with spicy onions, tomatoes, red pepper and chili. Finally, we have the English breakfast with the full works of bacon, sausage, croquette, mushrooms, tomatoes, and eggs. Look at the portions of each main. I'm beginning to wonder if they really eat this for breakfast in these countries. We were too full for any desserts, but because one of us was having a birthday, the restaurant offered us a double-baked chocolate cake that contains sesame and coffee as well. I must say this is one of the best chocolate cakes I have ever tasted. So smooth, so moist, so chocolatey. It definitely deserves a score of at least 7.5 out of 10. It was a wonderful meal. We collectively voted amongst ourselves and gave scores of each of the mains that we had, ranging from 6.0 to 7.5, which are pretty good scores. We left the restaurant satisfied. Thank you for joining me on my dining experience. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon when I'm hungry for a great meal again. Bye!